My dad's gonna try to butter our grandmother's nose because it's a family tradition. It's really weird, but yeah, should be interesting.
He's broke out. Yes,
Broke
you
out
are.
of
In
jail?
jail?
Heat rash.
He has had all his shots, right?
Mount.
No,
Including
that's
rabies.
heat rash.
Mount.
That's heat rash.
AJ, buddy! AJ!
I was figuring it's probably either heat or him rolling around in the grass, one of the two.
He's fine.
These are awful small pieces I'm doing.
This is our cake.
That's your cake. You guys are getting
Cupcakes.
Go sit on the stairs.
Really sexy little man.
Now.
Ooh, here's another ring.
They're all, oh,
I'm gonna have that one.
most of them were rings except.
Yeah, Mom. I'm gonna have that one. I wanna have that
Ownage!
Yes!
This is a flag.
What
My
is
dad.
that?
Dottie.
Ownage.
What?
one.
The butter
The butter on the nose.
Oh.
The hair in it and everything.
My uncle, my mama, my daddy.
Chocolate one.
Okay, where's the camera?
So who
Take a
did
picture
that?
of the little one.
No, you gotta get
No,
a picture
who did
of
that?
Dottie. What, Chris, I don't know how to turn this damn thing on.
Watch out.
Get a picture of Dottie.
Who put the
She just got
I did.
That's what I'm asking.
Chocolate.